car can actually fly.
Pete, you're going to be up there flying all by yourself? It's not fair. Baby T-T-T-T-T-Rex, baby T-T-T-T-T-Rex, baby T-T-T-T-T-Rex, T-Rex, roar!
Mommy T-T-T-T-T-Rex, Mommy T-T-T-T-T-Rex, Mommy T-T-T-T-T-Rex, T-Rex, roar!
Daddy T-T-T-T-T-Rex, Daddy T-T-T-T-T-Rex, Daddy T-T-T-T-T-Rex, T-Rex, roar!
Grandma T-T-T-T-T-Rex, Grandma T-T-T-T-T-Rex, Grandma T-T-T-T-Rex, T-Rex, roar!
Grandpa T-T-T-T-T-Rex, Grandpa T-T-T-T-T-Rex, Grandpa T-T-T-T-T-Rex, T-Rex, roar!
Let's go hunt T-T-T-T-Rex, let's go hunt T-T-T-T-Rex, let's go hunt T-T-T-T-Rex, let's go hunt! Run away T-T-T-T-Rex, run away T-T-T-T-Rex, run away T-T-T-T-Rex, T-Rex! Ah! Save that last T-T-T-T-Rex, save that last T-T-T-T-Rex, save that last T-T-T-T-Rex, T-Rex! It's the end T-T-T-T-Rex, it's the end T-T-T-T-Rex, it's the end T-T-T-T-Rex, T-Rex!
Learn ABC with dinosaurs.
At last, we've reached the cave.
So in this cave, there is the ABC dinosaur mural?
That's right. Are you ready to explore?
Isn't it a bit too dark in here? Dark. I think there's a ghost in this cave.
Or there might be a monster living in here.
Don't worry, class. There are no spooky ghosts or monsters in there. Look, this beautiful flower lamp will light up the way.
Wow!
Come on, let's go inside.
ABC, 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 dinosaurs, ABC, 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 dinosaurs! I wonder what our ancestors hid in this deep cave. Let's all go through the alphabet to see what we've got.
Ankylosaurus,